Welcome to our detailed SOLIDWORKS tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to add a damper to a spring mass system. This follows our previous sessions where we introduced the spring element. Let's start by opening our previously prepared assembly of the spring mass system. Our goal is to simulate the damper's effect on the mass movement, which was initially pulled down and then released. Navigate to the New Motion Study icon and select Motion Analysis from the drop-down menu. Now, click on the damper icon in the toolbar. Carefully select the two faces that the damper will connect. Set the damper constant to 0.008 Newton per millimeter, crucial for accurate simulation dynamics. Now, click on the spring icon in the Motion Study toolbar. Choose the linear spring type and select the two faces where the spring will be attached. For the spring parameters, set the spring constant to 1 Newton per millimeter and the free length to 100 millimeters. Finalize by clicking the green check icon. It's time to see our setup in action. Click the Calculate icon to start the simulation. Observe how the damper influences the mass's motion. That's how you integrate a damper into a spring mass system. Experiment with different settings for deeper understanding. Thank you for joining us.